Welcome to the Ultimate Quiz Studio. I am your host, Barnaby. Are you ready for some football? Let's play 20 football quizzes. It is going to be epic. Let us kick off right now.
Quiz number 1. On screen, you see 3 superstars in the sky blue and white jersey. But one of these players isn't from Argentina. Look closely. Who is it? The correct answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. He actually plays for Portugal. Now for quiz number 2. 3 stars wearing the famous iconic yellow kit of Brazil. Among them, who is not a Brazilian player? Comment your answer below. The correct answer is Kylian Mbappe. He is France's star player. Quiz number 3. 3 megastars wearing Portugal's deep red kit. Keep your eyes on the screen. Who belongs to another team? That was quite easy, right? It's Brazil's very own Neymar Jr. 3 players wearing the official Three Lions kit of England. Look carefully. Can you spot the imposter? The correct answer is Norway's goal machine, Erling Haaland. 3 young stars in Spain's vibrant red jersey. Which one among them is not Spanish? The correct answer is Germany's Jamal Musiala. Welcome back to quiz number 6. 3 stars wearing France's deep blue kit. Who is not a member of this team? The correct answer is England's Jude Bellingham. 3 players in Germany's crisp white kit. Pay close attention. Who is the outsider here? It's Belgium's midfield magician, Kevin De Bruyne. Now for quiz number 8. This challenge gets a bit tougher. 3 stars in Portugal's jersey. Who is not an official Portugal player? The correct answer is Croatia's legend, Luka Modric. We are very close to the climax. Which rival team star is hiding in Argentina's squad? The correct answer is Uruguay's lethal striker, Luis Suarez. 3 Real Madrid teammates are now in France's jersey, but one of them is actually not French. Who is he? The correct answer is Uruguay's powerhouse, Federico Valverde.